Japan has a remarkable level of local civic engagement.
So today I'm going to speak about China's rise as a techno power, as I've put it.
How was today's seminar? What was your favorite part?
Today's seminar is about the former communist countries' capitalism development path. And my favorite part was the part that he explained about the diversity of development path of former communist countries.
How did it affect your idea or perception about the career path in academia?
I have learned that the ability of having various approaches for the analyzing cases is very important. From today's lecture, I really learned the importance of literature review and understanding of other scholars' debate in the real world is really necessary for our future research.
When and how does income inequality become politically salient to have a meaningful effect on political outcomes such as political attitudes and behavior?
How was today's seminar? What was your favorite part?
The research methods, it's really complex and it's really comprehensive, and also it's using the mixed method and so on. The researcher doing the experiment, which is really expensive and it's really hard.
How did it affect your idea or perception about the career path in academia?
I have studied about Japan for my undergrads and here in graduate school as well. Throughout the lecture, she also repeatedly mentioned about her personal experience as well. I began to have a more strong motivation to go to Japan and study in Japan to actually see and understand the behaviors of Japanese people.